Hey guys, David here, and welcome to Digital Outlook. Guys, things have been really moving in this space today. In fact, XRP is eyeing a major surge. So guys, let's get to it. So guys, before we start today, I want to actually go over something that a lot of people have asked me about in and outside of coaching, and it has to do with off-ramps. A lot of people ask, David, what are or what have been your off-ramps? Well, guys, for us, back in 2020, like it has been today, these days, the exchanges were all coming down when they got heavy traffic as the space just heated up. And a lot of people were not able to get onto those exchanges. And do you think that this market stopped trading while those exchanges were being down and repaired? Not on your life. And guys, that's when we were first introduced to Caleb and Brown, our brokers. Now, guys, this is Caleb and Brown right here. Now, Judy and I have been with Caleb and Brown since 2020, and we have had nothing but an absolutely amazing experience with them. They are a personal crypto broker, just like you would find in a traditional market where you get assigned a broker and you can literally pick up the phone and call this broker. Now, the best part is this: it does not cost you one penny to open up an account with them. It doesn't cost you anything to get assigned and speak with a broker. Hey, it doesn't even cost you anything to custody your assets with Caleb and Brown, by the way, which utilize Fireblocks institutional grade custody. The only fees that you pay is when you buy and when you sell. And I'll tell you, the peace of mind that that brings when everybody else is clogged up is something else. And guys, for Judy and I, that was our go-to off-ramp. And like I say, we have been with them for years. And so if you're thinking about, hey, I need some alternatives out there that are going to be reliable when this space is really blowing off, I would recommend, hey, give Caleb and Brown a try. Now, we do have a referral link down there in the description of this video. Now, if you use that, hey, Caleb and Brown are going to pay us a referral reward, full transparency. But even if you don't use that, hey guys, just go over to Caleb and Brown and give them a call and find out if it's a platform that would work for you when you really, really need one. So guys, as we reported in Coffee Chat this morning, something absolutely major has taken place in this digital asset space. And that news is where Ripple has come out and basically said that they are going to take a massive bite out of the 155 billion stable coin market. And guys, this has implications that are truly phenomenal for this ecosystem and of course for XRP. Now just check this article out right here. XRP eyes mega surge to high prices as Ripple readies to storm 155 billion stable coin market. Just listen to this. In thrilling news for the cryptocurrency community, San Francisco-based fintech startup Ripple is gearing up to introduce its own US dollar-backed stablecoin on the Ethereum and XRP ledger, with the hopes to compete with Tether and USDC, Circle's USDC, for a slice of market share. Ripple, still fighting a lawsuit brought by the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, is planning to debut a stablecoin pegged to the price of the US dollar later this year. Guys, this is truly amazing. I mean, here you have Ripple, one of the biggest fintech companies that this space has, and it a $15 billion unicorn, not even IPO'd. Of course, it's embroiled with this lawsuit with the SEC, but boy, has it ever been winning hands down. And now what are they doing? Guys, they're going out there to really, really challenge this market and have their own stablecoin built on XRP ledger and also available on the Ethereum blockchain. Now, a lot of folks have come out and said, wow, this is bad news for XRP because oh, well, Ripple stablecoin is going to replace XRP. And guys, that is not how the XRP ledger works. That is not what's going to happen. In fact, what's probably going to happen is going to provide such liquidity that it is going to cause XRP's price to absolutely soar, just like USDT has for Bitcoin. Now listen to this right here. The yet to be named crypto stablecoin, get this, will be 100% backed by US dollars, short-term US government treasuries, and other cash equivalents, Ripple said in a press release. While the stablecoin will initially be issued on Ripple's institutional-focused XRP ledger and Ethereum blockchains, there are plans to expand to additional blockchains and decentralized finance protocols and apps over time. Guys, I'm telling you what, when you think about how fast transactions are getting settled right now on the XRP ledger, and you're going to be utilizing a Ripple developed stablecoin backed by US dollars 100% or their cash equivalents, I'm telling you what, it is going to shake up these markets in a major way, liquidity wise for sure. Now, issuing our stablecoin on the XRP ledger and Ethereum will serve as a pivotal entry point to unlock new opportunities for institutional and decentralized finance use cases across multiple ecosystems, Ripple President Monica Long posted. Bringing a trusted stablecoin onto XRP ledger will drive more adoption and development, contributing to a vibrant ecosystem. 100%. A lot of fun is going out there right now saying, oh, well, that's just going to replace XRP. Not on your life. Guys, it's going to be the underpinning of the XRP ledger and XRP because of the liquidity rails. And look, we're right now at the space where they're bringing in the automated market makers. Do you not think when they issue this stablecoin on the XRP ledger that you are going to see some big time trading pairs with that alongside XRP, and XRP being a trading pair against it as well? I think it's going to be absolutely massive. Now, USDT and USDC are the current dominant US pegged stablecoins. Ripple pinned the stablecoin market's current value around $150 billion, which the company expects to skyrocket to $2.8 trillion by 2028. Why do you think that is, guys? Why do you believe, or they think that the stablecoin market is going to multiply by that factor? Well, it's because, guys, they are going to have us all moved in to a digital economy where you are literally going to see central bank digital currencies, stable coins, and these assets shooting off like absolutely crazy because of how this worldwide economy is evolving, and it's the internet of value at lightning speeds. That is for sure. Now, Ripple Chief Technology Officer David Schwartz indicated that the company had mulled launching a stablecoin much earlier. However, after studying the market and evaluating various economic factors, Schwartz says launching one in 2024 makes more strategic sense. It's where we're at on the timeline, guys. That's where it is. We think we're uniquely positioned to have a competitive entry in that market. He poised, we have our presence both on the institutional side with our payment products and on the XRP ledger side. We have some entry into D5 section of this space. Those are kind of the two big buckets in which stablecoins are being used today. Ripple revealed that it will publish monthly attestations of its holdings that back the stablecoin, while a third-party accounting firm performing audits. The company's reserves will be held by U.S. banks. Wow. Schwartz further noted that Ripple intends to emulate USDC's compliance-first mindset with its stablecoin. We're looking to grab market share. We're not looking to finesse a couple of extra decimal points by taking risks with other people's money. Our balance sheet is rock solid, he added. Launching its stablecoin is a natural step for Ripple as we bridge the gap between traditional finance and crypto. We have 1, the years of experience; 2, regulatory footprint; 3, a strong balance sheet; and 4, network with near global payout coverage to offer the best of it. And that was Brad Garlinghouse that made that quote himself. Now, in the announcement, Ripple observed that it has a growing licensed portfolio in key regions around the wide world, around the globe, which sets it apart as a transparent and reliable option in the crowded stablecoin sector. As for specific use cases of the stablecoin, Swartz said he thinks it will be an attractive to small and medium-sized enterprises and banking institutions. Boom! Right there. Guys, I genuinely believe we're going to see a settlement here in this case between Ripple and the SEC and the banking institutions that are going to be playing a big, big part. You better believe it. They're going to be coming right from the native soil of these United States. And why do you think at this juncture of time it makes sense to Ripple to enter into the stablecoin market with a US-backed 100% stablecoin? Guys, you can't make this stuff up. And this is a quote right here. I really hope we can drive enterprise-grade institutional adoption of the stablecoin, which I think has been a little bit lacking, both because of regulatory issues and the lack of someone to package something together as a product, he explained. We'll have a leg up because of our compliance, guys. Boom, right there. And here you got the SEC saying, oh, well, it's a security and on and on. We have a leg up because of our compliance. If that isn't a tell, I don't know what is. The new stablecoin is also expected to, get this, like we said earlier, complement the ecosystem's recently unveiled, natively built automated market maker protocol. According to Swartz, the stablecoin, get this, will create liquidity and grab volatility and arbitrage opportunities between multiple assets. With a focus on transparency and regulatory compliance, Ripple's foray into the stablecoin market marks a strategic effort to expand its products offerings and boost the utility of the XRP ecosystem, which could ultimately turbocharge the price of the token XRP to fresh all-time highs. And XRP at the time of the writing was trading for around 60 cents, and that was a 4.58% to the positive on the day. Guys, you are watching history take place right in real time before your eyes. You are going to have stories to tell your kids and your grandkids. I kid you not. They're going to say, and you're going to be able to say, hey, I was there when it happened. Now, listen to this right here. Analysts blow off top. Rocket Rally will send XRP to $20 and Ethereum to $20K. And here is when. Now, Credible Crypto, a well-known pseudonymous crypto analyst, recently offered his insights on the future prices of Ethereum and XRP. Credible Crypto, sorry about that, guys, predicts a significant price increase for Ethereum in the current market cycle. He estimates a minimum target of 10,000 with the potential to reach as high as 20,000. This ambitious prediction hinges on the assumption that Bitcoin will likely double from its previous peak at 69,000, which a lot of folks and TA guys have been calling for. Now, historically, altcoins have often experienced even greater surges following Bitcoin's price movement. In Ethereum's case, a 3 to fold increase from its prior all-time high of 4,878 would place its value within the analyst projected range. Credible Crypto envisions a scenario where Ethereum's market capitalization reaches $2 trillion. While this figure may seem outlandish, he argues that such valuations might occur during a market bubble or a blow-off top. Guys, come on. We know that they're going out there and tokenizing almost everything in the real world, and it's going to end up on these ledgers. Well, that constitutes for trillions upon trillions upon trillions of dollars. In fact, the securities markets alone, 89.2 trillion back when Larry Fink said, hey, the next evolution of these markets was the tokenization of securities. Wow. So there is lots of room to see that happen. Yeah, remember, we're talking about blow off top bubble territory, so the market caps will look outrageous. And guys, we have seen that before. If they don't, then there's a problem, LOL, he stated, highlighting the potential for extreme price movements in these situations. The analyst suggests that Bitcoin typically reaches its peak first, followed by a rotation of capital into the altcoins like Ethereum. This implies that Ethereum's price should surge likely occur after Bitcoin reaches its peak. Now, right back down here. Credible Crypto also offers a bullish outlook for XRP, a cryptocurrency that has faced regulatory hurdles in recent times. Well, hey, no doubt. Despite these challenges, he predicts XRP has the potential to surpass that $10 mark and even reach out to $20 or higher. This forecast is based on a market cap comparisons rather than just pure speculation. He clarifies at an earlier point regarding XRP's fully diluted valuation, stating a $10,000 Ethereum translates to an XRP price exceeding $20. This comparison aims to challenge negative biases surrounding XRP and show its potential for significant growth. And guys, if you see Ethereum up there at 10K, he's saying, hey, it could be 20. You see it up at 20K. Hey, we might be looking at 40. And does that not confluence with a lot of these other TA guys that have said we could see these numbers? Yes, it does. Now, currently, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP are trading at, respectively, 65,725, 3,300, and 56.98, respectively. These figures provide a baseline for potential price increases if the analyst predictions materialize. Considering Bitcoin's all-time high of 73,700, Ethereum's $4,800 peak, and XRP's record of 382, actually 384, the analyst targets represent a substantial climb. However, Credible Crypto believes these targets are achievable within the current market cycle. Notably, the analyst previously predicted a period of price stability for Bitcoin with potential sideways movements. He observed a balance between buying and selling pressure, preventing significant price swings. He also noted rising open interest, indicating more traders entering positions. This suggests that once Bitcoin breaks out of this stable phase, price volatility could increase significantly. And guys, have we not seen it in prior runs like 2017 when, pow, this thing took off like a rocket ship? And what are a lot of these TA guys saying right now? It looks like we're seeing a repeat. Practically, not a total repeat because history doesn't repeat, but boy, does it rhyme back there for 2017. And that is something. Now, guys, I want you to pay attention to an article right over here that I think has a major tell just tucked away inside it. Powell, and we're talking about Jerome Powell of the Federal Reserve, commitment to cut rates in 2024 sees small Bitcoin and XRP bounce. Now, guys, just listen to this right here. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell confirmed the central bank's commitment. Get this, have we not been saying this for practically months? To reducing interest rates in 2024. Well, guys, how is he going to do it? Look, we have been out there saying that this whole, interest narrative that they're pumping right now, guys, they're going to turn it around. They are absolutely going to reduce interest rates. Why? They want to drive this market insane. And especially because, hey, we're going to be watching the US dollar take a nosedive when that happens. And guys, what happens when that takes place? Well, we've seen that reverse correlation. When the DXY tumbles, these space and equity markets go nuts. And on top of that, hey guys, what are they trying to do? They're trying to push cash into risk on assets. Guys, we have been talking about this for a long time. The Federal Reserve knows exactly what they're doing. This is all part of a strategic forward, outward plan. And guys, I genuinely believe that should we see that take place and their commitment actually get followed through, it is going to result in a major uptick in this space. I absolutely believe that. That is my personal opinion. You go out and you research it for yourself. But I'll tell you what, when I see this kind of news going on like that right there, and you got all kinds of analysts that you've got confluence with these TA guys like we have never seen. And look at this. Guys, come on. If you thought that Ripple was trembling in their boots over losing, this case against the SEC with respect to XRP, you think they'd be out there doing this stuff? Not on your life, guys. For Judy and I, we are 100% convinced. We absolutely believe this is going to smash right through the atmosphere, guys. It is going to literally leave people with their jaws open and laying right on the floor. So guys, as we have all seen, this space can change on a dime. And that is why I'm always out there saying how vitally important it is for you to get your plan in place before it literally takes off. And guys, what our coaching program offers, that is where you and I can meet personally one-on-one for 1 hour over Zoom. And during that time, I share with you our personal journey in that last bull run and what enabled Judy and I to experience some amazing financial success. I share with you the mistakes we made so that you don't fall into the same pitfalls we did. We take a look at your portfolio and make sure that it's balanced towards your goals, and we work together to develop your exit strategy. We can even get your assets off an exchange and onto a hardware wallet, along with delivering to you some amazing techniques that are really going to help you in this space. Now, the cost of that is $250, and if that's something that interests you, you write me right there at coaching@thedigitaloutlook.com, and we'll get y'all booked in. So guys, I genuinely hope that you really enjoyed today's video. And as always, it's not financial advice. It's just my 2 cents. Hit the like and subscribe. Drop your comments down there in the comment section, and I'll catch you in the next one.